First, we need a canvas. And if you like to know what's the difference between these options or what exactly these components meaning, I can make video about that. But for this video I assume that you already know all their meanings, and if you don't know, just follow me and just you can do it what I'm doing here. And basically all these settings can be changed, depends on the case. And let's call it pop-up canvas. And now let's create our panel, which means the panel will be background of all our pop-ups. And we go forward step by step, and first we reduce the alpha value for the panel. And now I create this image, and it just will be reference, and definitely it's not something must, but it will simplify things for us. Actually, the main reason is in here. And then let's scale it with the size with using rect transform and resize it, and it's done right now actually. And now we can start create the pop-up, and here's the background image of our pop-up. By the way, as a note, if the image type will be slice, then we need to make sure it's already 9-sided in sprite editor. And as you can see here, I made it 9-sided, which means it's especially useful for creating scalable UI elements like here. And by doing this, you can create UI elements that adapt to different sizes and resolutions. And now it's kind of time to create header part and body part, and as you can see in here, this will be just empty objects, which is not rendered bunch while all rendering process. And I create image inside of them and stretch it, as you can see in here. And then same progress, going on. And the rest of the video will be have some progress, like here, drag and drop, and then resize it, rescale it, and it goes on like that, actually.
delete the reference image and make it prefab, as you can see. And here's our level completed pop-up. And we will use it as a game object and will instantiate in here as a child of this panel.